In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order Temu via cash on delivery. This convenient payment option is ideal for those who prefer to for their purchases upon receipt rather than ahead of time. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure that you can successfully place your order. First things first, let's open up the Temu app on your device. You might already have it downloaded, but if not, make sure to install it from the App Store. Once you have the app open, take a moment to browse through all of the items you're interested in. When you've decided what you want to purchase, go ahead and add those items to your cart. Once you've filled your cart with all your desired products, it's time to move to the next step. Tap on the cart icon to review your selected items. This is your opportunity to double-check everything and make sure you haven't missed an item or accidentally added something you didn't intend to. If everything looks good, you will then proceed to the checkout process. When you're in the checkout section, this is where you get to choose how you'd like to pay. Look through the available payment methods and select the option for cash on delivery. Opting for cash on delivery can be quite beneficial, especially if you prefer to handle payments in person or have concerns about entering your financial information online. It's a great way to stay flexible with your payments. After selecting cash on delivery as your payment method, it's time to finalize your order. You'll see a button to submit order. Go ahead and tap on that. By doing this, you're formally confirming your purchase under the cash on delivery terms. Before you wrap up, the app may provide you with a summary of your order and payment option for a final review. This is your last chance to ensure everything is perfect. And there you have it. You've just placed an order on Temu using the cash on delivery method. Expect a notification about when your package is expected to arrive and any instructions regarding your delivery. Remember to have the exact amount ready when your items arrive to make the transaction smooth and hassle-free. Thanks for watching this guide on ordering from Temu with cash on delivery. I hope it was informative and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy shopping and see you next time.